Dooring is when a driver or passenger opens a vehicle door into the path of oncoming bicyclists or traffic, resulting in a collision or avoidance maneuvers, such as swerving or braking, which may also result in injury or death. The Dutch reach method can also protect drivers and passengers from being struck by an oncoming vehicle and reduce the risk that their car door could be damaged or torn off by a passing vehicle. Reach with the right hand to open the driver's side door. This method helps you look over your shoulder for oncoming bicyclists. The Dutch reach could save someone from crashing or worse. It's a simple concept that everyone who parks on the street should employ. Give it a try the next time you leave your car and tell 2 other people about it. Visit the official Dutch Reach site for complete information.